14th birthday, Lucky Jean. I wish you good health, a long and happy life, and that you continue to be loving and respectful daughter. You're growing up so fast, and now that you're 14, I hope you focus more on your studies than on your phone. No, don't like me. Because your future is bright, and I want to see you success. Always remember, Mama and Papa love you more than the world can say. Be good always now. Mama will always be here to guide you, to support you, and walk you with every step of the way. Thank you for your understanding, for your love, and for your simple being you. We are so proud of you. I love you so much, Nak. Happy birthday.
Ano sabihin?
It's very funny on that one line, but yeah. Wholesome.
Ha?
Wholesome.
Can you say to Mama?
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Nag.
Thank you.